Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 virus and threat protection start actions. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, check Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Delete all folders except Cache Manager. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck Safe Boot, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.